What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the Bugs 3, my blue one again, in this T8SG transmitter. Check it out. I got my antenna from my Evo 8S on here. But anyhow, I'm out here with these two. There has been an update to the deviation for this little guy, and it's awesome. So I just brought it out here to show you guys. So let me fire this guy up. I'm gonna take it over here to the ground. Right away, it's bound. As you can see, motors do start up right away. Now it's no longer on low rates now. It actually has faster rates. Check out the yaw. So the yaw looks like it might be a tiny bit faster, maybe a tad bit, but really what has been increased the most is the pitch. Check it out. So this thing does awesome funnels now. It's really fast now. I don't know if the punch out is different. Let's see. Punch out is about the same, but the story is these funnels here and that pitch. So this thing is really fast now. Let me bring it back over here. So aileron is increased as well. Check it out. So this thing can spin around on one motor pod now. What's up, bro?
What's up with you?
Waalaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
What's good with you, man?
I'm chilling, man. Just doing this video for this.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I ended up losing my damn phone.
Was
Shit,
wrong.
I got booked the other day. Fuck with this joint, man.
You got booked?
Yeah, it wasn't for nothing.
Hold on, let me finish this.
On me.
Let me stop this video real quick.
You got the joint on.
Hold on, let me end this. So that's it. A quick demo flight of this Bugs 3 with deviation. The pitch has been increased, and the yaw seems like it's about the same, maybe a little faster, and most of all, this thing has a really nice funnel and it flies faster, and aileron and pitch is increased. Thanks for watching.